At night, the city rests. But security must never sleep. In today's environment, even a brief lapse in attention can lead to serious consequences. Traditional guarding systems depend largely on manual supervision, often creating gaps in visibility, accountability, and control. So the question remains, if security guards are present, why do incidents still occur? And how can organizations be certain that patrols are being completed, on time, and at the right locations? This is where KRC Guard Patrol Solution sets a new standard. KRC Guard Patrol Solution is a smart, reliable, and data-driven platform designed to deliver real security, based on facts, not assumptions. Each guard is assigned predefined checkpoints across buildings, sites, or designated zones. During patrol, guards verify their presence by scanning each checkpoint using a secure mobile application or dedicated device. Every scan automatically captures time, location, and activity, ensuring accurate, tamper-proof records. This data is instantly transmitted to a cloud-based system, allowing supervisors to monitor patrol operations in real time through a centralized dashboard. The outcome is clear: complete transparency, stronger accountability, and measurable performance, without manual reporting or guesswork. With KRC Guard Patrol Solution, organizations gain full control over their security operations, reduce operational risks, and ensure compliance, day and night. KRC Technologies. Smarter guards, stronger security.